Hello everyone. Today we start set number 2 modern period MCQs. So let's start. When was Joseph Conrad born? Options are 7th March 1864, 3rd April 1869, 19th July 1875, 3rd December 1857. So correct answer is option number D, 3rd December 1857. Next question, who wrote The Secret Agent? Options are Joseph Conrad, Ian Fleming, Joseph Joyce, Charles Dickens. Correct answer, Joseph Conrad. Next, when was The Secret Agent written? Options are 1908, 1906, 1909, 1907. So correct answer is 1907. Next, when was Olmier's Folly published? Options are 1886, 1895, 1904, 1900. So correct answer is 1895. Next, which novel of Joseph Conrad is set in the Congo? Options are Freya of the Seven Hills, The Shadow Line, Heart of the Darkness, The Rover. So correct answer is Heart of the Darkness. Next, complete this title. Major options are Barbara, Brandon, Jones, McDonald's. Correct answer, Major Barbara. Next, when was Where Angels Fear to Tread published? Options 1890, 1905, 1895, 1900. So correct answer is 1905. Next question is, where did Edward Morgan Foster spend 3 years during World War I? Options Paris, Berlin, Alexandria, Delhi. So correct answer is Alexandria. Next, where was Edward Morgan Foster born? Options are London, Paris, Manchester, Mumbai. So correct answer, London. Next, which novel of Edward Morgan Foster was published in 1924? Options are A Passage to India, Howard's End, A Room with the View, The Longest Journey. Correct answer, A Passage to India, published in 1924. Next, Passage to India book is divided into 3 sections: mosque, caves, and options are club, church, temple, and synagogue. Correct answer, temple. Next, in which city is most of the action set? Options are Mau, Calcutta, Mumbai, Chandrapur. Correct answer, Chandrapur. Next question, who is the magistrate at Ajit's trial? Options are Roni, Das, Fielding, Godbole. Correct answer, Roni. Next, which 1913 novel charts the life of the aspiring artist Paul Morel? Options are Aaron's Road, The Boy in the Bush, Sons and Lovers, The Trespassers. Correct answer, Sons and Lovers. Next, Virginia Woolf thought of committing suicide many times. How did Woolf try to commit suicide when she was 22? Options are by poisoning herself, by drowning herself, by hanging herself, by jumping from a window. Correct answer, option D, by jumping from a window. Next question, Eliot was one of the leading figures of the New Critical Movement. Which of the following was not? Options are F.R. Lewis, Matthew Arnold, William Emerson, Robert Penn Warren. Correct answer, Matthew Arnold. Next question, to whom did Eliot dedicate the poem The Waste Land? Options are W.H. Auden, Ezra Pound, William Yeats, James Joyce. Correct answer, Ezra Pound. Next, Eliot wrote Ash Wednesday a few years after his conversion to what religion? Options: Presbyterian, Anglican, Mormon, Jewish. Correct answer, Anglican. Hello everyone. Today we are going to continue 500 MCQs test series. So start from the question number 21. The term stream of consciousness is associated with. Options are William James, Sigmund Freud, Virginia Woolf, James Joyce. So here correct answer is James Joyce. According to the title of his well-known work, what was the William Empson analyzing? Options are 16 candles, hundreds of soap operas, 7 types of ambiguity, 13 ways of looking at blackbirds. So correct answer is option number C, 7 types of ambiguity, published in 1930. Next question. What is the full name of F.R. Lewis? Options are Frank Raymond Lewis, Frederick Raymond Lewis, Frank Raymond Lewis and Frederick Raymond Lewis. So correct answer is option number C, Frank Raymond Lewis. Frank Raymond Lewis was a British critic born on 1895 and died 1978. Next question. What do Wimsatt and Beardsley rail against in the intentional fallacy? Options are close reading, reading poems as poems, watching movie adaptation of novel, the idea that authors are the ultimate source of meaning. So here correct answer is option number D, the idea that authors are the ultimate source of meaning. Next question. What major work of new criticism became a standard textbook? Options are The New Criticism by Joy Crow Ransom, Miss Emily and Bibliographer by Alan Tate, The Intentional Fallacy by Wimsatt and Beardsley, Understanding Poetry by Clint Brooks and Robert Penn Warren. So correct answer is Understanding Poetry by Clint Brooks and Robert Penn Warren. Next question. What is the meaning of this Latin phrase annus mirabilis? Options are disastrous year, wonderful year, bad year, hard year. So here correct answer is wonderful year. Next question. Name the first major volume of criticism by F.R. Lewis. Options are New Bearing in English Poetry, The Common Pursuit, Great Tradition, Education, and the University. So correct answer is New Bearing in English Poetry is famous. Next question. The principal theme of the show's St. John is. Options are Vision and Reason, Reason and Religion, Atheism, Religion and Faith. So correct answer is option D, Religion and Faith. Next question. What is Shaw's an unsocial socialist? Options are a political article, a prose work, a novel, a drama. Correct answer is novel. Next question. When was Shaw's Arms and the Man published? Options 1893, 1894, 1895, 1896. So correct answer is 1894. Next. In which year G.B. Shaw was awarded with the Nobel Prize? Options are 1821, 1921, 1924, 1925. So correct answer is 1925. Next, who wrote Milton's Code? Options are William Wordsworth, William Empson, T.S. Eliot, George Eliot. So correct answer is option B, William Empson. Next. When was 7 Types of Ambiguity published? Options 1925, 1930, 1935, 1940. So correct answer is 1930. It's written by William Empson. Next. What is the full name of I.A. Richards? Options Ivor Armstrong Richards, Ivan Armstrong Richards, Ivor Armour Richards, Ivan Armour Richards. So correct answer is Ivor Armstrong Richards. Next question. Which is the most influential and collaborative work of I.A. Richards with C.K. Ogden? Options are Science and Poetry, Mencius on the Mind, Speculative Instruments, The Meaning on the Meaning. So correct answer is The Meaning of Meanings, 1923. It's a collaborative work with C.K. Ogden. Next, who is known as the father of new criticism? Options are Matthew Arnold, Terry Eagleton, I.A. Richards, Karl Marx. So correct answer is I.A. Richards. Next, which are the two uses of languages defined by Richards? Options: referential or scientific, animative, generative and emotive, imagist and scientific, symbolism and imagist. So correct answer is referential or scientific and emotive. Which term coined by I.A. Richards? Options are pathetic fallacy, feed forward, objective correlated, touchstone. So correct answer is feed forward. Next, what type of play Mrs. Warren's profession is? Options are political play, critical play, problem play, comedy. So correct answer is problem play. Next, The White Peacock is written by. Options are G.B. Shaw, Virginia Woolf, D.H. Lawrence, James Joyce. So correct answer is D.H. Lawrence. Next, what is the setting place of Lawrence Kangaroo? Options are Australia, Germany, USA, UK. So correct answer is Australia. Next, how many acts in G.B. Shaw's Pygmalion? Options are 5 acts, 10, 8, 9 acts. So correct answer is 5 acts. Next, the Bloomsbury Group was founded by. Options are James Joyce, Marlowe, Virginia Woolf, Swinburne. So correct answer is Virginia Woolf. Next question. The author of the Finnegan Wake is. Options are Virginia Woolf, Mary Wollstonecraft, James Joyce, Stevie Smith. So correct answer is James Joyce. Next, which famous Indian did John Ruskin influence? Options: Tagore, Tilak, Mahatma Gandhi, Ambedkar. So correct answer is Mahatma Gandhi. We will meet soon with other MCQs. Till then, bye. Hello everyone. Today we are going to continue set number 3, 500 MCQs test series. So let's start from question number 46. Which poem is this line taken from? Yet more and more time passes silently. Options are Days, Nothing to be Said, Talking in Bed, The Whitsun Wedding. All these are poems written by Larkin, Philip Larkin. So correct answer is Talking in Bed, published in 1960. Next question. This line is taken from which poem? Something is pushing them to the side of their own lives. Options are Ambulances, Sells the Man, Whitsun Wedding, Afternoons. So here correct answer is Afternoons. All these are poems written by Philip Larkin. Next question. Pseudonym name of the poet and writer Philip Larkin used. Options are George Eliot, Brunette Coleman, Philip DeCosta, Phil Larkin. So here correct answer is Brunette Coleman, used by Philip Larkin, pen name. Next question. Name the only complete novel written by Philip Larkin using pseudonym name Brunette Coleman. Options are Trouble at Willow Gables, The Less Deceived, This Be the Was, The North Ship. So correct answer is option number A, Trouble at Willow Gables. Use this as a pseudonym name. Next, What is setting place of Larkin's novel Jill? Options are Oxford University, wartime Oxford, Oxford Grammar School, Manchester. So correct answer is option number A, Oxford. Next question. What is the setting place of Larkin's novel Jill? Options are Oxford University, wartime Oxford, Oxford Grammar School, Manchester. So correct answer is option number B, wartime. The Jill is a Philip Larkin's novel published in 1946 and reprinted in 1964. Next question. When was High Windows published? Options are 1974, 1978, 1977, 1970. So here correct answer is option number A, 1974. Next question. What is the full name of Ted Hughes? Options are Edward James Hughes, Tedward James Hughes, Edward Jane Hughes, Ted John Hughes. So correct answer is option number A, Edward James Hughes. Next question. When Ted Hughes was appointed as Poet Laureate? Options 1980, 1984, 1982, 1985. Correct answer is option number B, 1984. Next question. What was Hughes' first spouse name? Options are Sylvia Plath, Carol Orchard, Asia Babel, Carol Hughes. So correct answer is option number A, Sylvia Plath, and Carol Orchard is second wife. Next question. Last poetic work of Ted Hughes. Options are Birthday Letters, The Thought Fox, Snowdrop, Hawk Roosting. Correct answer is option number A, Birthday Letters. Next question. What was Hughes' first collection of work? Options are Crow, The North Ship, The Hawk in the Rain, This Be the Words. So correct answer is option number C, The Hawk in the Rain. Next question. Whose work wolf watching is? Options are Seamus Heaney, Ted Hughes, Philip Larkin, Stevie Smith. So correct answer is Ted Hughes. Next question. When Seamus Heaney received Nobel Prize in Literature? Options are 1995, 1994, 1996, 1997. So correct answer is option number A, 1995. Next question. Seamus Heaney's best known work. Options are North, Death of a Naturalist, The Spirit Level, Human Chain. Correct answer is option number B, Death of a Naturalist. It's a list of poems. In this work, Seamus Heaney consists of 34 short poems. Next question. Name of Seamus Heaney's prize-winning translation work. Options are Homer, Beowulf, Ovid, Boethius. So correct answer is option number B, Beowulf. Next question. How many short poems are Heaney's Death of a Naturalist? Options are 40, 34, 37, 43. So correct answer is option number B, 34. Next question. Which of the following is not written by Seamus Heaney? Options are The Spirit Level, Human Chain, Field Work, The Iron Man. So correct answer is option number D, Iron Man. Not written by Seamus Heaney. It is written by Ted Hughes and it's a children's story. Next question. Next question. When did Seamus Heaney die? Options are 2009, 2013, 2010, 2011. So correct answer is 2013, option number B. Died on 30 August. in Dublin. Dublin in Ireland. Next question. Which post-war British poet was involved in disastrous marriage with Sylvia Plath? Options: Philip Larkin, Stevie Smith, Ted Hugh, Seamus Heaney. So correct answer is Ted Hugh. Next question. Seamus Heaney is, options are an Italian poet, an Irish poet, a Welsh poet, an American poet. So correct answer is option number B, an Irish poet. Next question. Novel on Yellow Paper is novel by, options are Stevie Smith, Ted Hughes, Doris Lessing, F.R. Lewis. So correct answer is option number A, Stevie Smith. Next question. Which of the following is not Stevie Smith's work? Options are Novel on a Yellow Paper, Over the Frontier, The Holiday, Harold's Leap. So here correct answer is option number 4. All these are novels written by Stevie Smith. Next question. Not Waving but Drowning. When was Stevie Smith's this book published? Options are 1957, 1959, 1960, 1963. So here correct answer is 1957. Next question. Florence Margaret Smith was also known as, options are Stevie Smith, George Eliot, Margaret Smith, Mary Smith. So here correct answer is option number A, Stevie Smith, known as the Florence Margaret Smith, also known as. Next question. Stevie Smith belongs to which period? Options: Victorian, Modern, Contemporary, Renaissance. So here correct answer is option number C, Contemporary period. Stevie Smith, known as. Stevie Smith born on 1902 and died 1971. At the age of 68 years. Here tell me the one question, Stevie Smith birthplace. Where's Stevie Smith born? Tell me the birthplace in the comment box below. So that's it for today. Hello everyone. So in this video we will continue 500 MCQ test series set number 4. So let's start. Question number 71. Eric Arthur Blair's pen name. Options are George Orwell, George Eliot, Jane Austen, Jane Orwell. So the correct answer is option number A, George Orwell. Next question. What is the Blair's birthplace? Options: Peshawar in Pakistan, Motihari, Bihar, New Delhi in India, Manchester in England. So correct answer is option number B, Motihari in Bihar. Next question. Orwell's Animal Farm is which type of work? Options are short story, fiction, allegorical novella, comedy. So here correct answer is option number C, allegorical novella. Next question. When was Animal Farm published? Options are 15th August 1947, 27th November 1940, 17th January 1945, 17th August 1945. So here correct answer is option number D, 17th August 1945, George Orwell. Next question. What was the original title of Animal Farm? Options are A Fairy Story, A Burmese Days, A Clergyman's Daughter, A Hanging. So here correct answer is option number A, A Fairy Story, published in 1945, written by George Orwell. Next question. Which genre Homage to Catalonia belongs to? Options are crime fiction, non-fiction and political, thriller, tragedy. So here correct answer is option number B, non-fiction and political. Homage to Catalonia, published in 1938 in UK. It's written by George Orwell. Next question. Down and Out in Paris and London, when was published? Options are 1933, 1938, 1943, 1939. So here correct answer is Option number A, 1933, January 1933. It's based on the theme, the poverty between two cities, Paris and London. Next question. Debut novel of Sir William Golding. Options are Pincher Martin, The Spire, Darkness Visible, Lord of the Flies. So here correct answer is option number D, Lord of the Flies. Next question. When was Lord of Flies published? Options are 1950, 1952, 1954, 1948. So here correct answer is 1954, option number C. In 1950, it was written by Golding. Firstly, it was rejected by many publishers, but published in 1954. Next question. Which work of Sir William Golding won him Booker Prize? Options are The Inheritors, Rites of the Passage, Darkness Visible, Free Fall. So here correct answer is option number B, Rites of the Passage, 1950, won the Booker Prize. Next question. When he won the Nobel Prize in Literature? Options are 1985, 1983, 1980, 1987. Correct answer is option number B, 1983. He won the Nobel Prize. Next question. Name the protagonist from Golding's Booker Prize winner novel. Options are Edmund Talbot, Captain Anderson, Raymond Cole, Billy Rogers. So correct answer is option number A, Edmund Talbot is the protagonist of the Booker Prize winner novels. Booker Prize winning novel is The Rite of the Passage, written in 1980. Next question. When was Sir William Golding knighted? Options are 1986, 1990, 1988, 1985. So here correct answer is option number C, 1988. Next question. The Hot Gates by Golding is a collection of. Options are short stories, tales, essays, jokes. So here correct answer is option number C, essays. Hot Gates is a collection of essays. Next question. How many sections are in the Hot Gates? Options 5, 7, 8, 4. So here correct answer is option number D, 4 section in the Hot Gates. Next question. Which was Golding's second novel? It's based on the prehistoric fiction. So published in 1955. Options are Lord of the Flies, Pincher Martin, The Inheritors, Double Tongues. So here correct answer is option number C, The Inheritors. Inheritor, it's a second novel, published in 1955. Lord of Flies, its first novel, published in 1954. It's complete in 1950. Next question. Wilfred Bartley, protagonist in the which novel of the Golding? Options are Rite of the Passage, The Paperman, Moving Target, Fire Down Below. So here correct answer is option number B, The Paperman. Wilfred is the protagonist. Next question. Which one of the following is not a part of the trilogy work by Golding? Options: Rite of the Passage, Close Quarters, Fire Down Below, The Spire. So correct answer is option number D, is not a part of trilogy. These are the trilogy books. Next, Doris May Lessing was a British novelist. So belong to which country? Options are Indian, American, Zimbabwean, African. So here correct answer is option number C, Zimbabwean novelist. Next question. First novel by Doris Lessing. Options: The Golden Notebook, Grandmothers, The Grass is Singing, Good Terrorist. Options are option number C is the correct answer. The Grass is Singing. It's a first and it's a debut novel. Next question. The Grass is Singing takes place in options: England, Australia, South Rhodesia, America. So here correct answer is option number C, South Rhodesia, now Zimbabwe. Is the setting place Grass is Singing. Next question. The Golden Notebook, written by Doris Lessing, when was published? Option are 1960, 1968, 1962, 1965. So here correct answer is option number C, 1962. Next question. How many total notebooks in the golden notebook? Options are 5, 4, 6, 9. So here correct answer is option number B, 4 notebooks in the golden notebook. Next question. The Golden Notebook is the story of a writer. Options: Anna Wolf, Paul Blackhurst, Jimmy McGrath, Anna Adams. So here correct answer is option number A, Anna Wolf. Based on the story. It's a writer. Next question. Which genre the Children of Violence belongs to? Options: semi-autobiographical, biographical, fiction, comedy. So here correct answer is option number A, semi-autobiographical work. Next question. Which award Doris Lessing received in 2007? Options: Booker, PEN Literary, Hughes Award, Hugo Award, Nobel Prize in Literature. So here correct answer is option number D, Nobel Prize in Literature, won by 2007, Doris Lessing. Next question. What was the full name of Graham Greene? Options: Harry Graham Greene, Helen Graham Greene, Henry Graham Greene, Henry Graham Greene. So here correct answer is option number C, Henry Graham Greene. Next question. Setting place of the Brighton Rock, novel written by Graham Greene. Options are Buckingham, Brighton, Birmingham, the Lancashire. Options, so here correct answer is option number B is the correct answer. Brighton Rock, the setting place of Brighton. Next question. Rose, Pinky are the character from which of the Green Grant's novels? Options are The Brighton Rock, Power and the Glory, The Quiet American, The Third Man. So here correct answer is option number A, The Brighton Rock. Brighton Rock, it's a murder thriller novel published in 1938, written by Graham Greene. So that's it for today. See you soon for the more video. Till then, bye. Hello everyone. Today we are going to continue 500 MCQ test series from question number 101. So let's start. When was The Power and the Glory novel published? Options are 1948, 1940, 1946, 1938. So here correct answer is 1940. Next question. Major Henry Scobie is the protagonist from Graham Greene's. Options are Odd Man in Havana, The Comedian, The Heart of the Matter, A Gun for the Sale. So here correct answer is option number C, The Heart of the Matter. Heart of the Matter, written by Graham Greene and published in 1948. Next question. Setting place of Greene's and Duff affair. Options are London, Manchester, Belfast, Bristol. So here correct answer is option number A, setting place in London and published 1951. Next question. The Confidential Agent by Graham Greene published in. Options are 1934, 1930, 1945, 1939. So here correct answer is option number D, 1939. Confidential Agents, written by Graham Greene and published. Next question. Genre of the Confidential Agents. Options: thriller, tragedy, urban fiction, women fiction. So here correct answer is option number A. It's based on the thriller and published in 1939. Next question. Graham Greene died in. Options: 4th May 1995, 26th January 1993, 2nd October 1904, 3rd April 1991. So the correct answer is option number D, 3rd April 1991, died in the Switzerland and born in the UK. Next question. Why God, Alden Wiley and the Thomas Fowler are major characters from Green Grant's? Options: A Burnt Out Case, The Destructors, The Quiet American, The Brighton Rock. So here correct answer is option number C, the quiet Americans. These both characters. Next, Alexander Pope belonged to which century? Options are early 18th century, late 18th century, early 19th century, late 19th century. So here correct answer is option number A, early 18th century. Alexander Pope belongs to. Next question. Pope's Dunciad comprises of options are a one book, two books, three books, and four books. So here correct answer is option number C. Dunciad published in three versions, three books. The Dunciad published during 1728 to 1743. It's a mock heroic narrative poem. Next question. Pope is considered a master of. Options are heroic couplet, free words, historical, rhyme royal. So here correct answer is option number A, heroic couplet. Next question. When was Alexander Pope born? Options are 1681, 1690, 1688, 1692. So here correct answer is option number C, 1688, born in England. Next question. When did Alexander Pope die? Options are 1746, 1744, 1748, 1740. So here correct answer is option number B, 1744, died in the Twickenham, Twickenham, Twickenham in England at the age of 56 years. Next question. Rape of Lock is a dash type of poem. Options heroic couplet, satirical, rhyme royal, mock heroic. So here correct answer is option number D. It's a type of mock. Rape of Lock is a mock heroic type of poem and published in 1712. First edition in 2 cantons. Second revised edition published in 14 in 5 cantons. Next question. To err is human, to forgive divine is a quote taken from which work of Pope? Options are An Essay on Criticism, the Dunciad, the Pastorals, the Rape of the Lock. So here correct answer is option number A, the Essay on Criticism. These quote taken from An Essay on Criticism, written in 1711. The Pope gained popularity after publishing this work. Next question. Alexander Pope belongs to which period? Options modern, Augustan, Victorian, Georgian. So here correct answer is option number B, Augustan period. Augustan period started from 1600 to 1785. Augustan age is also known as options are the Renaissance period, New Classical period, Old English, Middle English period. So here correct answer is option number B, New Classical period. New Classical period started from 1600 to 1785. So here Old English period started from 450 to 1066 and Middle English period started from 1066 to 500 and Renaissance period started from 1500 to 1660. Next question. First major work of Pope. Options are An Essay on Criticism, the Pastorals, the Dunciad, An Essay on Man. So here correct answer is the Pastoral, his first major work. The Pastoral published in 1709. An Essay on Criticism published in 1711. The Dunciad published in 1728. An Essay on Man published in 1733 to 34, between this period. Next question. When was An Essay on Criticism published? Options 1721, 1711, 1718, 1709. So here correct answer is option number B, 1711. Next question. Pope was member of which reputed club of Augustan age? Option Bloomsbury Group, English Literary Club, University Bit, Scriblerus Club. So here correct answer is option number D, Scriblerus Club. So other members of this club: Jonathan Swift, Arbuthnot, and Thomas Parnell, Jonathan Gay, is also, these are the member of the Scribblers Club. Next question, who wrote Ode on Solitude? Options are Alexander Pope, Jonathan Swift, Thomas Parnell and John Gay. So here correct answer is option number A, Alexander Pope. Next question, Jonathan Swift is an Anglo-stylist. Option American, Indian, Irish, African. So here correct answer is Irish stylist. Next question, who used pen name Isaac Bickerstaff Esquire? Options Jonathan Swift, Alexander Pope, Thomas Parnell, William Shakespeare. So here correct answer is option number A, Jonathan Swift used this name. Next question, All Fools Day falls on which day? Options 1st May, 1st December, 1st April, 1st January. So correct answer is option number C, 1st April, known as All Fools Day. Next question, name the first major work of Jonathan Swift. Options are Modest Proposal, A Tale of Tub, Gulliver's Travels, An Argument Against Abolishing Christianity. So here correct answer is option number B, A Tale of Tub. Tale of Tub published in 1704. So Modest Proposal published in 1729. Gulliver Travels 1726. And Argumentation Against Abolishing published in 1712. Next question, pseudonym not used by the Jonathan Swift. Options Simon Wagstaff Esquire, M.B. Drapier, Coral Bell, Lemuel Gulliver. So here correct answer is option number C, Coral Bell. Coral Bell pseudonym used by Charlotte Bronte. Next question, satirical masterpiece by Jonathan Swift. Options Lord of Rings, Gulliver's Travels, Poor Richard's Almanac, The Intelligencer. So here correct answer is option number B, Gulliver's Travel is the satirical masterpiece. Next question, when was Gulliver's Travel published? Options 1726, 1728, 1732, 1724. So here correct answer is option number A, 1726. Next question, although he was a poet and essayist, Swift was best known as a dash. Options are clergyman, pamphleteer, balladeer, stylist. So here correct answer is option number D, stylist. Next question, who is Gulliver's main caretaker in Brobdingnag? Options are farmer, queen, Reldresser, Glumdalclitch. So here correct answer is option number D, Glumdalclitch. That's it for today. See you soon for more video. Till then, bye. Hello everyone, in the today's session we are going to continue set number 6, most important 500 MCQ test series. So we continue from the question number 131. Christopher Marlowe is also known as, options are Kit Marlowe, Kit Marlowe, Kit Monroe, King Marlowe. So here correct answer is option number B, Kit Marlowe. Next question, when was Christopher born? Options are February 26, 1564, January 26, 1564, March 26, 1564, April 26, 1564. So here correct answer is option number A, February 26, 1564. Next question, which greatest dramatist was contemporary of Christopher Marlowe? Options are T.S. Eliot, William Shakespeare, John Dryden, Samuel Beckett. Correct answer option number B, William Shakespeare. Next question, what is the full title of Marlowe's play, The Jew of Malta? Options, The Tragedy of Jew of Malta, The Tragedy of Rich Jew of Malta, Famous Tragedy of the Rich Jew of Malta, The Story of the Rich Jew of Malta. So correct answer, Famous Tragedy of the Rich Jew of Malta. Next, which was Christopher Marlowe's incomplete work when he died? Options are Tamburlaine the Great, Hero and Leander, Edward II, Queen of Carthage. Correct answer option number B, Hero and Leander. Next, Who has completed Hero and Leander after Marlowe's demise? Options: Thomas Kidde, William Shakespeare, John Marston, George Chapman. Correct answer option number D, George Chapman. Next, what was the beginning and ending date of the Elizabethan era? Options: 1500 to 1520, 1560 to 1570, 1558 to 1603, 1558 to 1578. Correct answer option number C, 1558 to 1603. Next question. Marlowe's poem Hero and Leander is based on. Options are Greek legend, French, British legend, Irish legend. Correct answer. It's based on Greek legend. Next question. How many parts the Tamburlaine the Great is divided? Options are 3 parts, 4 parts, 2, 5 parts. Correct answer option number C, 2 parts. Next, Tamburlaine the Great is based on the life of Amir Timur, Aurangzeb, Edward II, Charles I. Correct answer option number A, Amir Timur's life based. Next, Christopher Marlowe belongs to which century? Option 17th, 15th century, 16th, 14th century. Correct answer belong to 16th century. Next, name the famous group Marlowe was member of. Options are Bloomsbury Group, Graveyard Poets, University Wits. None of these. Correct answer option number C, belong to the university members. Next question. Who was appointed as England's first official poet laureate? Options are John Dryden, Christopher Marlowe, William Shakespeare, Edmund Spenser. Correct answer option number A, John Dryden. John Dryden appointed as a poet laureate 1668 to 1688, total 20 years. So here lifespan of the John Dryden 1631 to 1700. Next question. Which romantic writer called John Dryden the Glorious John? Options: David Hume, Adam Smith, William Hazlitt, Sir Walter Scott. Correct answer option number D, Sir Walter Scott called John Dryden the Glorious John in the book The Life of John Dryden. John Dryden. D-R-Y-D-E-N. John Dryden. So here we talk about the Sir Walter Scott's famous book Ivanhoe, published in 1819, and other book Waverley in 1814. These are famous books written by Sir Walter Scott. Next question. Which period in English literature is known as the Age of Dryden? Options are Restoration period, Augustan age, Elizabethan age, Romantic age. Correct answer option number A, Restoration age, known as the Dryden's age. Next question. Who wrote Astraea Redux? Option: Christopher Marlowe, Ben Jonson, William Shakespeare, John Dryden. So here correct answer is option number D, John Dryden wrote down the Astraea Redux in 1660. To welcome the new regime, the King Charles II. Next question. When was Dryden's The Hind and the Panther published? Options are 1687, 1690, 1685, 1600. So here correct answer is option number A, 1687. In this work, total 2600 lines. So it's the longest of the Dryden's poems, one of the longest poem of Dryden, and written in 3 parts. So it's a heroic couplet. Next question. When was Restoration drama Aurangzeb written by Dryden? Options are 1675, 1670, 1665, 1677. So here correct answer is option number A, 1675. Next question. Which is the first play of Dryden? Options are All for Love, Aurangzeb in Indian Emperor, The Wild Gallant. So correct answer is option number D, The Wild Gallant. Wild Gallant, written in 1663 but published in 1669. Next question. Who introduced comedy of humor? Options: Ben Jonson, William Shakespeare, John Dryden, Christopher Marlowe. So here correct answer is option number A. Ben Jonson introduced the comedy of humor. Ben Jonson used this in 1598 and his most important play, The Everyman, out of his humor. Next question. Who wrote Alchemist? Options: Christopher Marlowe, Ben Jonson, John Dryden, William Shakespeare. Correct answer option number B. Ben Jonson. Next question. How many acts are in the Bartholomew Fair? Options: 5 acts, 3, 4 and 2 acts. Correct answer 5 acts. Next question. Name the book which contained 89 sonnets of Spenser. Options: Arcadia, Amoreti, Shepherd's Calendar, Dido, Queen of Carthage. Correct answer Amoreti in 89 sonnets. Next question. Marlowe's mighty line is a phrase refers to. Options: compact style, blank words, imagery. So correct answer is option number B, blank words. This phrase used by Ben Jonson. Ben Jonson for Marlowe. Next question. At what age did Christopher Marlowe die? Options: 33, 29, 47, 54. Correct answer option number B, 29. Lifespan of Christopher Marlowe 1564 to 1593. Next question. Which was Marlowe's first play? Options: Dr. Faustus, Tamburlaine, The Tragedy of Dido, The Jew of Malta. So correct answer is option number B, The Tamburlaine, his first play. Tamburlaine first performed in London in 1587. Next question. Marlowe's tragedies are all. Options: one-man tragedies, revenge plays, love tragedies, tragedies of royal. So here correct answer is option number A, one-man tragedies. Next question. Who said that Spenser writ no language? Options: Dr. Johnson, Matthew Arnold, Ben Jonson, John Dryden. So here correct answer is option number C, Ben Jonson. That's it for today. See you soon for more video. Till then, bye.